Welcome back to Tradeprofx. Today is another amazing video. So remember, this is tradeprofx.co.ke. That is the website that we are going to be doing a certain challenge here. So the challenge is over here. So this is the challenge. I've already sent it on the Telegram channel. So if you have not logged in on that Telegram channel, you're missing out. So this challenge, I want to give you some ideas about it. So you can, it's a 40-day challenge. So you start with 3 USD, then you target the first day 0.42. So that is the first day. You have a total of 3.42. Then you get to 2, then you get to make only 0.48. That will be 3.9 by the end of the day. So you do that for 40 days and you will end up with 566. It's a very rough, good way you can do your trading, because even if you will reach at this extent of 436, you'll only be targeting 61 USD. So with that, I want us to do that challenge. So with only 3 USD or whatever you have. So it is upon you to decide whatever you have. Like mine, I have 2.55. So remember, like for me who has a different account, I normally have 2 accounts. That is the modern account and the legacy account. So if you have been transferred, I hope by now everyone has been transferred. And what is the plan now? The plan is, number 1, you can either choose to go for the 40 days, or if you don't want, you can do like me. Most of the time, I think I'll take the third option. So the second option is you can change these into hours. You assume this is first hour, the second hour, that way, in that manner, first hour, second hour, third hour. So for a day, you can trade 8 times. Are we together? So if for 8 times you can trade, that will reduce the number of days for executing trades. For me, I'll be doing maybe like 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. So the first 30, 30, 30, 30 in that manner. So you'll get to see that this challenge will be very easy in also 3 days. So that is the plan, and you can see we have a very simple account, 2.55, and the goal is how do we trade that way. So we are going to be trading using only designs. So we are going to be using the first thing to use is what we call over under. So we are going to be using over and then stroke under. So are we together? So these are the things that we are going to be trading on. So if you are using, and then we also might use the even, and then we might use odd. Are we together? So these are the things that we are going to be using, over, under, and even, odd. So how do we come up to make something with these? So what we are going to do, we are going to be using the analysis tool. So the analysis tool that we can be using is the D circles. You see this one. So this D circles is what you can do. So you just click D circles, and then you are going to see these digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and these are the percentages. Are we together? So these percentages are what we will be considering. So let's start by analyzing under 7. Under 7 has only rules. It's specific rule. Remember, we are trading under 7 in every market. So we will never trade blindly on any market. So what you will be doing, you take a market, let's say it is like this volatility 10 index, and you want to trade under, because we have already said we are trading over, under, and you want to trade under 7. Are we together? So this under 7, you must consider only digit 0 to 4 only. And for you to consider digit 0 to 4, so you are only considering what? Digit 0, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So these digits, let's say it is these. So you have, because the numbers you have is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you seeing? So you have 5 digits. You must ensure that 3 digits, on any 3 digits have, you must make sure that these digits have 10.5%. Are we together? So this 10.5% must be met in 3 digits. If you have a way you can get a market that has 4, or also all of them at 5, the better. Are we together? Then number 2, consider the green bar. The green bar should be on either these digits. Are we together? Make sure the green bar is on those digits. So practically, let's get to practically here. So we have said you must consider that this one, the 4 digits, the 5 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 have at least 3 of them having 10.5%. So like here we can see, let's just check on this market. We have digit 0 with 11%, it qualifies. These ones, all of them, digit 2 qualifies. So we only have 2 digits, none other. So that one, you quit that. Number 2, consider the green bar on your side. On your side, when I mean your side, it needs to be on digit 0 or to 4, which is the most appealing digit. So this green bar should be on your side. So what do? You come here, let's check like volatility. Let's check for one market and then I'll be trading. So here, like here we can see where the green bar. So we only first want to check where the green bar is. So let's consider checking the green bar. Like here we can see volatility 10 index, we can see 11.5. Let's now consider checking. Do we have 3 digits above 10.5? This one, none. No. This one, yes, 1, then 0. So those are 2 digits. So you continue checking for the right market, and we can see this one is on digit 5. You avoid that, so you consider that is how you will be doing the analysis. So we can see this one is at 2. So do we let's look 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't have any market. So here again, let's check volatility 50 index, 51s. We can see digit 6, so that is not a favorite market. The volatility 50 index, let's see, we can consider these. Let's check these ones. We have digit 1, 2 only meeting our conditions. We have no other. So we consider again checking for another market, and we check the green bar and we see what is happening. So we can see this one has 10.6, then 10.5, no other, and then we have none other has qualified, that is volatility 75. So let's check this one, volatility 75 now playing that front. So we can see digit 4, we can see all the other side, none qualifies. So you do what? You continue checking volatility 101s. Volatility 101s, digit 4 qualified, none other has qualified. Are you seeing? So you must consider, you will make something out of these, and this will help you maneuver most of the issues. So we can see digit 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Only one digit qualifies and none other. So you should keep doing this. Never get tired. In case you ever find that like here 4, 5, 3 has met, none other has met. So you need to check all these. If you find most of them have qualified, digit 3 has qualified, digit 2 has qualified, digit 1 has qualified, perfect. This one is the best. So what we do, we are going to come here to the volatility. We have seen it's volatility 10. So you get here to volatility 10. So you need to change this to volatility 10 index. So let's just go to volatility 10 index here, and then we have said okay, so which bot do you use? You can go to the free bots, and then you go to the premium, and then scroll down. You can get to one of the best bots for under. In case there is a loss, you'll get help. In case there is a loss, it does over 2. So we consider trading that way. So we change this to volatility 10 index, and then nothing else, everything is set. So because we are using lower stakes, so we need to change this to something to 0.5. so we change this to 0.5. so 0.5, and then that way. So stake is good, everything is good, and then we return back, we check whether it qualifies. The green bar on our side, 1, 2, 3. So we have 3, we have 4 of them. So from here we can run our bot. So what is the, remember the stake, what we are aiming. So that is the first trade. Remember our take profit is what? So that is the second one. So the last one, perfect, you stop your bot. So the first day, first session, 30 minutes, you are done. Are we together? So we are at 3. Oh, according to me, I'm at 3. So you see, we have run the first digits, we are at 0.4, and the challenge has started. So 3, 0.4 to printed, and we go tomorrow. Or for me, I'll continue now doing after 30 minutes. I proceed, and then I'll be checking my markets from this end here. So trade well, that is tradeprofx.co.ke. Let's keep making it. I hope everyone will reach to this end, and we have done for under digit 7. We have done for under digit 7. So I hope everyone will understand and make something out of that strategy. Let's meet in the next video. Let's keep printing. In case you have any questions, DM so that we can all be together. Bye bye.